How to reset a Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. First of all, launch a Snapchat application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards memory icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now from the Among tabs, select My Eyes Only tab at top right corner of the screen. Choose Options at bottom right corner of the screen and tap Forget Passcode. So you need to note that if you reset a Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything, or if you want to restart, then this is not the right way. Simply you need to take the alternative way. What you can do is you need to head towards profile and now select gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and head towards help center. Tap on it. Now waiting for a while you will see a bunch of options. Scroll to the bottom. Tap Contact Us button. Now you have to tap on I need help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll down and tap on Memories option. Tap Yes and tap Using My Eyes Only. Now you have to scroll down again and select Yes button and enter your username, email, and description about your issue that you want to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. And after certain hours, Snapchat will bring you with a quick solution. And from there, you can easily reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing anything. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.